Pachypodium lamerei is a species of flowering plant. It is a stem succulent, photosynthesizing mainly through its trunk, and comes from the island of Madagascar, off the east coast of Africa. It has large thorns and leaves mostly just at the top of the plant, and large fragrant flowers. The species has become one of the best known pachypodiums in cultivation, being relatively easy to propagate and grow. In cultivation, it is often marketed as Madagascar Palm, despite its not being a palm at all. Madagascar Palm is a semi-deciduous succulent tree with a silver-gray trunk, generally solitary and scarcely branched and covered with sharp spines. The thick, fleshy stem grows up to 20 feet tall and up to 1 foot in diameter. Leaves are green, narrow, and arranged spirally, mostly just at the top of the plant. The spines are up to 2.4 inches long. Flowers are white with a yellow center, up to 2.4 inches long, up to 4.4 inches in diameter, and appear in the summer. The plant rarely blooms indoors. Seed pods are up to 8 inches long and look like cucumbers. Madagascar palms are not difficult to grow as houseplants, as they receive enough light and are planted in well-drained soil. Be sure to place the plant in a container with drainage holes to avoid root rot. Good companion plant suggestions are other drought-tolerant plants such as crown of thorns, woolbine, green island ficus, and agave. A healthy Madagascar palm will produce fragrant white flowers from late spring throughout the summer and should grow at least 1 foot in height each year. Fertilization twice yearly with all-purpose fertilizer should also benefit the health of these plants.